Hi guys, in this project I will show you slab work for this building. So we will pour concrete for that section number 1 and then that section number 2. You can see here rebar number 3, 1 foot on each direction. They put brakes to raise it up because they will use the screed laser machine. And here you can see the electrical conduit run through the slab, through the concrete. In some project they dig deep, so those conduit will be under the slab through the gravel. And here you can see the diamond plate at 1 foot 6 spacing. And here what they did, that diamond, they put plywood lid that you can see to protect and keep the anchor bolt clean when they will pour concrete, and you can put it back. That's a good thing. And here we have a trench drain all the way. So this is ready, and here you can see the plumber, he covered with a piece of carton and tape. So when they will pour concrete, keep that trench drain clean, no concrete will be inside. Yeah. And here you can see plastic sheet, rebar, and wire seam everywhere. Not like 50%, some contractor they did 50%. Here you can see expansion, paper, tape, and the plastic cup at the top. Here the diamond. You can see that's the for expansion joint. You can see the V here, the V dowel, that's